Before we get into the video, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page right here. I post stuff about my life and occasional thirst traps that nobody cares about. So go ahead and follow me on there. It's a fun time. Good morning. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. So I look a little rough. Today I thought that I would do something different and maybe film like a morning routine, just because I feel like it, mainly just for like my skin, because let's be honest, I have really trash looking skin. My skin is very mediocre looking. I have a whole bunch of like hyperpigmentation all over my face from acne scars and the eczema that I developed over the summer. Gotta love that. I'm treating it so it's going away. I had a couple spots. That'd be my dog. A couple spots that like flared up and then left like some really huge scars all over my face, but they're starting to kind of like fade away. So I figured I'd kind of just like film how I do that, and then I guess I would just film that. So this is going to technically be a very mediocre skincare regimen for people that would like to have clear skin, but you know, don't have clear skin like all the other influencers in the world. My dogs are awake and they are hungry. It's about 9:30. I usually feed them at around 9 o'clock, but decided to be a little bit lazy because I'm actually not really feeling too well. I've been trying to get a little bit better so that way I can recover and heal. I'm gonna feed them some breakfast, take them outside, and then start skincare video. They're getting pretty riled up, so I'm gonna actually head out like right now. Yeah, okay. And again, I'm sorry for looking this greasy. I just really wanted to make sure that I captured morning essence. If you see any stuff over here, this isn't drool, I promise. And my face is just like peeling. It's just like dead skin that like just shouldn't be there. And a lot of it's been peeling all over my face, but I've noticed a lot that's been peeling like around my mouth mostly. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Good morning. Who dragged the bed over there? Are you guys hungry? Mickey, what are you eating? What is that? What is that? What is that? No. What is that? Oh, Mickey, that's disgusting. First thing you want to do is change into something comfortable. I chose a onesie and my fuzzy socks. This is my face pre-wash, not looking fun or fresh. I'm just highlighting the parts of my face that have been affected by the eczema I developed, mainly around my mouth. Couple spots on my cheeks, my chin, my eyelids, my forehead, basically everywhere, especially my neck. That was the worst. The first thing I'm gonna do is tie my hair up, because one thing I hate is when my braids get in the sink while I'm washing my face. So I'm going to be using my African black soap. I got this on Amazon for about $21 for a pack of 4 bars. I just keep it in this little container. And then I will be using my spin brush. It comes with 5 detachable heads, and you can just attach it like so. It also comes with 2 different LED light modes. I'll be using the red one for my face today. It comes in 3 speeds, a gentle, daily, and deep cleanse. I always use the deep cleanse speed. So I'm just dipping the damp head of my spin brush into the bottle to get some soap and rubbing that on my face in a circular motion, focusing on a lot of the spots where my eczema mainly is and working my way around my face. And I like to use it up until the soap kind of dries a little bit. Once I've done that, I go ahead and I rinse the soap off the brush, and then I dip it into the container again. And this time I focus on my neck area because that was the area that was really severely affected by my eczema last summer. My skin was peeling off of my body so bad, it hurt. I couldn't even turn my head without being in severe pain. It was that bad. After I've rinsed the soap off of the brush again, I use the damp head just to do one final pass over my face, and this time I use the blue light. The red light is supposed to stimulate the collagen, and then the blue light is supposed to zap like any acne that may be forming, and I really like it. I like this brush. I also got it on Amazon. For storage, I just take off the brush head and I put on the cap, place it in its holder, and then put that away. And then I just wash the brush and then put it back into its little container and keep it like that, faced down. Then I rinse my face. But we're not gonna use a body towel to dry our faces. We're not doing that. We do not want to use the same towel that we wipe our booties with and put that on our face. You're putting booty juice on your face. That's not good. So use a different towel, have one set aside for just your face, and make sure you pat your skin dry. Dab, do not rub. Be very delicate. Next, I take this stuff, my holy grail eXzEMA moisturizing cleansing cream. My mom bought me this ever since I was a kid. I live by this stuff. I don't know what it is. I just put it on my face and it tingles. The tingling sensation really just like wakes my skin up in the morning, and I absolutely love it. So when that's doing its job, I usually brush my teeth by this time. And I typically do this skin routine either when I wake up or right after a workout, because I usually exercise first thing in the morning, and then I shower and then do my skincare routine. After my teeth are all brushed, I go ahead and rinse off everything, and then I pat my skin dry again with my face towel. So this is my skin post-wash. You can see how it's starting to look a lot more fun and fresh. I still have peeling from the eczema. Just with time it'll go away, I'm sure. Oh, but my skin looks so good in this clip. What the heck? I am lying to you guys. Anyways, first step I do is I put on some lip balm because my skin can get very, very dry, especially around my lips after using the black soap. Then I go in with my Witch Hazel toner, and I just use a cotton pad to apply that all over my face. I like to start at my eyes and then work my way outwards. So I start at my eyes, go towards my cheeks, my forehead, and then finishing at my neck. Next, I grab this really bougie pan that I got from the dollar store, and I just fan myself and let the toner dry and absorb into my skin. Next, I'm going in with mandelic acid from The Ordinary. It's recommended that this be used at night because it is a peel, but I kind of like using it during the day since it's quarantine and I don't really leave my house and I'm not exposing my skin to the sun. I apply it when I'm at home and I just really take my time and rub it into the skin and massage my face. Next, I'm going in with my vitamin C suspension. It's just a cream, so I just get a dime-sized amount and I dab that all over my face, and then just rub and really massage that into the skin, really focusing on some of my eczema areas, just because that eczema really messed me up, man. Then I take my retinol oil and apply a couple drops of that all over my face as well, and then take my time to really massage this into the skin. Next, I'm just using this cocoa butter with aloe vera and vitamin E moisturizer and applying that all over my face just because of my eczema. My skin gets super dry these days. I don't even know why. I've never had dry skin before in my life, but I add this just to make sure that my skin doesn't crack during the day, because when eczema dries and it cracks, it breaks open, and it's the worst. So really focus on moisturizing. And lastly, I'm topping that off with my sunscreen. Even when you're indoors, you need to wear SPF. I was super late to the SPF game, but better late than never. So I just apply that all over my face and gently massage that into the skin. And that is the finished result. Definitely a huge change from when I looked like I just woke up in the beginning of the video. It's a great mediocre skincare routine, which has been working for me, so I'm going to keep doing it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.